Hi there, I'm going to show you how to make a no caffeine coffee today using garbanzo bean, or more commonly known as chickpea. I'm going to use the black chickpea or the brown chickpea, and here are the things you'll need to make this coffee. I've taken half a cup of black chickpea or the brown chickpea. You will need a cup of water to brew the coffee, some measuring spoons. If you don't have measuring spoons, no worries, you can always use a regular normal teaspoon that's available in the kitchen. You will need a pan of some kind to dry roast the beans and a spatula, and of course you will need the mixie jar. So I have the pan here on medium flame, and I'm just going to dry roast the beans or the chickpea until they turn almost close to black or really dark brown in color. Be sure to leave the flame on medium and don't turn it into high, because we want the beans to roast evenly from inside and outside, and we don't want them to burn up too much on the outside. So ensure that you are having the stove or the gas, the flame on medium. I will dry roast this, and once it's done I'll show you how it looks on the other side. This normally takes close to around 20 or 25 minutes, so we'll meet after 20 minutes. This is kind of halfway through. Remember to keep stirring the bean so that it doesn't burn up on one side. So this is done. Can you see the change in the color? It's almost close to black, or maybe very deep brown. I have switched off the flame, and I'm just going to transfer this into the plate. Can you see? Beautiful browny, blackish, brownish color. This has to completely cool down now, so might take some time to cool, maybe about half an hour, and I'll bring you back once it cools down. The bean has cooled down completely, and I've transferred it into the mixie jar. We'll grind and show you the powder on the other side. It's done, and this is how the powder is looking like after the grinding. The aroma is absolutely fantastic. Now for the coffee, I'm boiling a cup of water here, and I'm going to add about 3/4 teaspoons of the coffee powder. You can adjust this quantity based on your taste. If you like it darker, you can add some more powder, or if you like it lighter, then you can reduce the powder. Let this brew for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we will strain it. This is done, and I'm going to strain this. No caffeine black coffee. Now you can even mix regular dairy milk or non-dairy milk. You can add sugar to this and have it. I'm off dairy, and I don't take sugar or any kind of a sweetener, so I'm going to just drink this black. My mother-in-law is going to do a taste test of this coffee with some milk and sugar. Let's check out what she has to say.
எக்ஸலண்ட்டாக இருக்குது காஃபி. ஸ்ரீலதா, இது புது மாதிரியாக இருக்குது. இது மாதிரி நான் சாப்பிட்டதே இல்லை காஃபி.
Thanks for watching this video. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback with me. Until we meet in my next video, this is Shri signing off. See you, bye.